So now, what are these viruses? So we know that viruses are kind of smallest microorganisms which can undergo multiplication, and they are much finer even than the cell of our body. Sometimes the viruses are having their size in microns or in nano range. So under these conditions, the virus are difficult to trap. And we know one of the current pandemic, that is due to COVID-19, coronavirus disease 2019, which is really a challenging one. So that is also coronavirus is a kind of virus. This virus was previously known as some other kinds of name, such as severely acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, coronavirus disease. Previously it was there. So usse bhi pehle there are so many other kinds of the viruses. Likewise, picornavirus, or let us say human immunodeficiency virus, HIV virus. And there are many other types of the viruses are there. There's a bacteria maybe, so there are so many types of the bacteria depending upon their shapes, or just like uh, Streptococcus pneumoniae, or then Streptomyces, or another Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium cancer, and Mycobacterium mediterraneae, maybe other kinds of fungal bacterial viruses are there. Fungus may be different types. So similarly, viruses are of different types are there. Some of the viruses can cause HIV/AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, right? And that is also one of the killing pathogenic disorder. And many of the other viruses are there which can cause infection. Simple swine flu, that is also kind of flu virus. Influenza, H1N1, uh, neuraminidase, hyaluronidase 1, neuraminidase 1, H1N1, which can cause swine flu. So that is also a kind of virus. So several types of the viruses are there. Even simple, whenever in a running time we have a kind of might have heard about viral fever. So that is also a kind of viral conditions. So basically, viral conditions are the one which are categorized through fever, or if not fever, then weakness. In such condition, we don't like to eat, or we don't like to take any fluid material. That is the thing which can occur with the virus. When we have, इसलिए हम बोलते हैं हाँ viral हो गया है. So it is categorized as a fever, no appetite, then no a particular kind of weakness, and we don't like to eat anything, or etc. So temperature will also high. So that is called viral fever. Okay, and viral fever is difficult to trace. Only sometimes if we take let us say large consumption of water, then we can have viral, we can save, uh, come out from viral conditions. Because as such, there is no antibiotic which can call viruses. As such, there is no antibiotic which can kill viruses. But there are certain drugs which act against viruses. So we will visit those drugs which can work against the viruses. Okay, so we will visit their structure, their side effects, their mechanisms, and all other things which are useful for this purpose. Okay, then let us come to what can happen when a virus disease can occur. So let us say if I discuss human immunodeficiency virus. So HIV virus, if it is there, then the most important thing with HIV and also tuberculosis is that patient will lose the weight. जैसे आज की तारीख पे on 26th of September, my weight is, let us say, 76 kilogram. But after a few months, my weight will go on reducing. 76 से हो सकता है 40 हो जाए, 30 हो जाए, 50 हो जाए. So drastic change in or drastic reduction in the weight of the patient, that is one of the symptoms of HIV. और भी बहुत सारे है कि पर्सन डेफिशिएंसी विल बी लेस, वीकनेस होगी, फीवर होगा, नाउजिया, वॉमिटिंग, एंड दीज आर अदर as well. So this can be characterized by some other kinds of western blot or taste. Okay, so this is basically HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. It can cause uh, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency viruses. And you people know that how does this virus spreads and how can we protect ourselves from that. Okay. Secondly, what is called coronaviruses. So that is also kind of the viruses where we are having fever, weakness, no appetite, and many other symptoms such as sneezing, coughing, cough, etc. So, and other symptoms are also there. The people will not feel any kind of taste, will not sense any kind of smell. So these are some of the symptoms. Sometimes diarrhea is also one of the symptoms of this. So there are plus or minus, there are so many changes, but the major is coughing, sneezing. That is the major symptoms of this. Swine flu, H1N1 antivirus, or even an influenza. So that is a kind of flu virus only, where the patients are having continuous sneezing or coughing and other disorders as well. So लगता है कि all the viral disorders have fever, sneezing, coughing, etc. Okay. So these, why? Because these are the major viruses. They are going to attack on the lungs, and you people know that how COVID-19 can disturb or what kind of the perturbation it can cause in the lungs of the patients, which can be perceived with the help of X-ray studies. Okay, so all these are really majorly affecting the lungs, and some of the viruses can cause other kinds of the infections of particular organs and cause later on somehow inflammation of, let us say, urinary bladder or kidney as well. Because of viral contamination, it can cause cystitis or inflammation of particular organ. Under these conditions, the patient is given lot of saline to directly injection into intravenous, and so these things. That can occur when viral disorders can. Okay, so let us come to this introduction of antiviral agents. That why we want to focus on this. So having such preliminary introduction before we jump to antiviral drugs, currently used antiviral drugs, their synthesis or their SAR, we should know what is the structure of virus. If we know the structure of such viruses, then we can set some mechanism for inhibition of these viruses. Let us say here, viruses, as you can see on the screen, it is a kind of small disorder or some small kind of microorganisms can cause infections that replicate only inside the living cells of other organisms. So remind this term. It can replicate under living organisms. If it is there on the, let us say, some surface, if it is there on certain clothes, or if it is there on certain mask, or if it is there on certain glasses, cannot replicate, cannot convert from 1 to 2 or 2 to 4 or 4 to many. It cannot convert. Can be only multiplied if it is present in living organism. Living organism, if it is there, then it can be, let us say, multiplied. It basically, this is a kind of parasite. It's dependent upon somebody else or its survival. Parasite का काम ही वही होता है. They don't have their own functional cells, but वो एक बार घुस जाते हैं जिस किसी पे, then they used to take somebody else. They are dependent upon somebody else for their survival. We'll take the food, we'll take the water, we'll take the other biochemical molecules are required to survive. Okay, so these are the viruses which lack both. I mean to say, they lack some cellular mechanisms. These mechanisms, especially cell wall and cell membrane, they do not carry their metabolic processes. We people have, as a human being, we have cell membrane, right? And cell wall nahi hai, but cell wall are majorly present in this plant cells. Human body does not have cell wall, like Homo sapiens especially. And these viruses don't have both the things, neither cell wall nor cell membrane. Even they don't have their metabolic processes. I mean to say, they don't have Krebs cycle, they don't have glycolysis or some other kind of glycogen shunt or some other pathways, hexose monophosphate pathways, or even fatty acid oxidation, etc., etc. They don't have these kinds of biochemical pathways. So still they can multiply and can cause the trouble for us. Small infectious, they don't have any kind of cellular specific, I mean to say, they have something such as RNA or DNA, but they don't have specific cellular machinery just like us. We have DNA, we have messenger RNA, transfer RNA, or some other RNA, ribosomal RNA. We have, they don't, they have RNA as well. और उसमें भी किसी के पास RNA किस viruses, some of the viruses are DNA viruses, some of the viruses are RNA viruses. They are different. They don't have DNA, so they have RNA. Okay, viruses are really a kind of challenge. So we know how do these viruses spread. They are present on one surface, and we ourselves come, or we come in their contact either by touching, or even sometimes they are present in the air and we are inhaling into our lungs. So now definitely they will get the entry into our lungs and can multiply. We know these things with current pandemic. आपको पता है, जब आप सब्जी मंडी में भी जाते हो सब्जी खरीदने के लिए, or some or to purchase something from the shops or vendors, you wear the mask to protect them yourself from these viruses. So if you want to protect ourselves from H1N1 viruses, it is suggested that at least you should wear N95 kind of mask. Meaning of N95 is that this mask will purify whatever the air up to 95%. थोड़ा सा 5% जितना आ सकता है, otherwise they will purify 95% of the external air, and you will get 95% purified air to inhale into your body. That's why they are named as N95. So to protect ourselves from swine flu, this is suggested. But WHO has suggested, World Health Organization has suggested to use 3-layer mask to prevent ourselves from COVID-19. Mask should be made up of clothes. All right. So this way, this viruses can then. If you want to kill such viruses, disinfection is required. We can use 5% sodium hypochlorite or some other disinfectant for some instruments or for some material surfaces, etc. To disinfect, or you can say to sterilize, or sometimes it is said to sanitize instrument or some other parts from this COVID-19. It will also cause other viruses as well. And sanitizers are one of the key components to kill the viruses. और sanitizer में भी जो major component होता है, that may be ethanol or alcohol. It may be isopropanol, or it can be some other alcohol as well. उसमें disinfectant भी होता है, depending upon other disinfectants are such phenols and some of the disinfectants are there. If you look at to the Dettol, which is there, so Dettol will have their separate kind of uh, disinfectants in themselves, and basically all these hand sanitizers we have seen, so they will have their own ingredients such as alcohol or absolute alcohol, water, polyethylene glycol or propylene glycol, etc. So sometimes you all might have already learned these things in pharmaceutics. Okay, so these are the components of hand sanitizers. But for some instrumentation, 5% sodium hypochlorite is there to kill such kind of viruses. Okay, so already you people are learning a lot about COVID-19, and the same way it is applicable to all the viruses. आपको जरा सा भी simple, you have common cold, and moment anybody who comes in contact with from your family in your contact, they will also have a kind of viral conditions. They will also develop viral conditions because we are using some kinds of common uh, things in our at our home. So usually people have to keep quarantine. That if you are having some kind of these viruses, and don't come in contact with your family member for so and so days, unless and until you could recover from this. तो ये ऐसा नहीं कि कोविड के केस में it may be also applicable to tuberculosis also, maybe to some other normal viral fever or coughing, sneezing, etc. But HIV/AIDS is not spread through the air. That only spreads through the limited number of some transmissional options. So that does not spread through the air. Even if the patient is infected with HIV, तो उसके जो खाने के बर्तन में भी is some there. So even if he or she has used those utensils, even if a normal person can utilize those utensils, there is no risk of transmission of HIV from the patient, the infected patients, to healthy people. So that only spreads to either usage of some infectious syringe or blades or bloods or these blood products or some kinds of other ways. HIV/AIDS does not spread through the air. But these COVID-19, this tuberculosis or simple sneezing, coughing, so these viruses, common cold viruses also, so they spreads to the air. And air is a common medium for our survival. We can survive without, let us say, money. We can survive without home, or without food we can survive at least for 1 or 3, 4 days. You can survive without food. रोटी कपड़ा मकान के बिना आप जी सकते हो, लेकिन एयर के बिना आप 5 मिनट से भी ज्यादा जी नहीं सकते हो. That is the importance. The things which we require, they are abundant on the earth. आपके सर्वाइवल के लिए पानी जरूरी है. So there is lot of amount of water, 1/3 amount, or sorry, 1/3 amount of this earth, maybe 2/3 amount of the earth is of water, right? 75% of the earth is made up of water, even for our body also. We require the air. तो आप दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, air will be there. स्पेस में जाओगे तो नहीं मिलेगी, because space is in the space there is no air. It is completely of vacuum. स्पेस में आप जाओगे भी नहीं और जाने वाले भी नहीं हो. So for our survival, water is there, air is there, food is there. So we have a lot of foods, vegetable or non-vegetables, etc. So for your survival, it is there. But assume once they are infected, तब क्या करोगे? Your air is infected with pollutions, with viruses, with some other bacteria. Then how will you survive? आप घर में भी चुप के बैठोगे तो वहां पर भी air होगी. Even if it is polluted or virus, it is their virus. You cannot live. So that's why when your common environment, the most important thing is to survive, is infected. and how to prevent the things. So this COVID-19 has that affected the basic requirement of human life. Not only COVID-19, whatever the viruses we are going to discuss and learn, so that has been also affected by this. I'm not telling only viruses, some of the bacteria such as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, so that is also affecting this. I have not heard about any fungus which is affecting the air, but I have heard about the bacteria. We know about the TB, DOTS therapy, which is used for treatment of tuberculosis. Okay, so let us come to this discussion of the virus, how the viruses are there, how do they look alike, what is their genetic machinery inside them to multiply to multiply from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, to 4 to 8, and 8 to many. How they multiply. So this is the which is on your screen. That is their genetic machinery, their cellular machinery, cellular composition of all these viruses. They are having some kind of DNA or RNA. I'm not telling DNA and RNA. Find the difference. Either DNA or RNA. Right? So they might have either deoxyribonucleic acid or they might have this ribonucleic acid syndrome. People know DNA. आपको पता है ना DNA और RNA में फर्क क्या है? Only the difference is that DNA will have this thymine as a nitrogenous base in their structure, and RNA will have uracil, which will be there in their genetic structure. Okay, so a protein, so their genetic machinery is just like DNA or RNA. We have both. We have DNA as well, which is our genetic composition, or RNA, which is let's say ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, tRNA, mRNA, rRNA. So these are the three types of the RNA which are present in us. You people have learned this nucleic acids and their metabolism in the in biochemistry subject in your first year PharmD program. First year PharmD. Then after genetic material, another composition is they are having certain protein cot. वो वाला कोट नहीं है जो हम पहन के ऑफिस जाते हैं या शादी विवाह में जाते हैं इन मैरिज एनिवर्सरी. This coat is this external layer. Here it is. So you can see this coat which is present in the external layer. Mind it, it is neither a cell membrane, neither a cell wall. It is a simple layer which protects their genetic material, covers their genetic material, and that is this, either RNA or DNA. Okay, and they are having some envelope of lipid. जो ये जो कैप्सिड प्रोटीन है, डीएनए है, आरएनए है, और उसके आसपास एक जो लिपिड का लेयर है, दिस लिपिड इज लिपोप्रोटीन, इज हैविंग कंपोजिशन ऑफ बोथ लिपिड एज वेल एज प्रोटीन, इसलिए उसका नाम है लिपोप्रोटीन. And some other kinds of the receptors which are present on their external surface, which are maybe molecules or receptors are there, which can directly sit on the host cells that to enter themselves this virus and genetic machinery, normal or healthy human cells. Okay, so here this viruses cannot reproduce on their own. Viruses cannot multiply from one to many on their own. वो खुद में उतना दम ही नहीं है अपने आप में कि वो बिना होस्ट के बिना they can multiply. Moment they come in contact with some host cellular machinery, and they can come, or then they can multiply. So if even if you search on Google that how viruses multiply, you will see beautiful videos which are made up of several types of the enzymes. I'm not sure whether I'm having one such video with me. So that will also see all the cellular machinery which can multiply. There are several kinds of the compositions of these viruses are available. Let us say uh, RNA or some RNA dependent RNA polymerase, which is one of the viruses, which is one of the enzymes present in such cells and can use to multiply from one to many and likewise. Okay, so this way the viruses are going to and they will multiply from one to many or likewise. I have one of the video with me. Yeah, I have it. So let me share it with you. So we can discuss here on the what are the viruses and what is their kind of cycle which can these viruses can have to multiply. So this before we jump to these kinds of the some other things, I have one of the video documentary. So I want to show it you. Trying to open it. Just give me time to play it. Is there? So let me know any one of you. Is it visible my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm all the voice will not come to you people. This is how the virus look alike. Okay, and you can see the several spikes or some other receptors which are present on its external membrane. And this is basically it is shown in the human blood. You can see some kinds of RBCs or are there. So this is a healthy human cell which is having some kinds of receptors on its surface. So yeah, actually this is the video for how HIV viruses are going to replicate. You will be also taught the same thing in your pharmacology. I'm just trying to giving you some introduction to you people. These are how somehow P glycoproteins or some receptors which are present on surface of the protein. And this will sit on the surface of the human cells, and the moment they are having some attachments with the help of some external atmosphere, they are उसको नाम बोलता है glycoprotein C receptor. I'm not sure about this pharmacology. With the help of this, whatever the genetic machinery which is present in the virus cell, from virus cell is the red one and human cell is just the bottom one, the blue one. So this way, this nucleocapsid around this virus which will get dissolved. The moment it get dissolved, the genetic machinery composed in virus, present in virus, that will enter in human cell. And it will come in contact with the host machinery. So these are the several proteins that are present in host cells, in our cells, in human cells. So here this is a ribosome. So basically in healthy conditions, or let us say this ribosomal RNA, which will be complicated with this normal RNA. So what will happen? This virus का जो protein है, that will utilizes the ribosomes transcription and translation processes in human body, and this is basically some other enzyme for maybe transcriptase, 3 days transcriptase, 5 days transcriptase. Okay. So now this protein, the this protein will be taken up, and this viral protein will be integrated into the host cells. क्या हुआ कि जो वायरस का जो सिंगल चेन था वो पहले डबल चेन बना और डबल चेन आगे चल के it has been inserted into the body, human DNA, right? And uska ek small template later on that will be further utilized to produce several other viral proteins. So now these are not normal one, but they are infectious one. वायरल का जो एक वायरस का जो एक डीएनए था वो आगे चल के दूसरे अलग अलग टाइप के आरएनए में कन्वर्ट हो गया और वहां से उसने अपने तरह के बहुत सारे ऐसे वायरसेस बना दिए और ये एक सेल से लेके वो बाहर आया। उसने वायरस का जो अभी उसने असेंबली जो बनाई वो होस्ट सेल की असेंबली है, एंड दिस असेंबली now they will get multiplied from one to many. So this way the whole body cells will get infected with viruses. A normal virus cell, now actually they are giving various examples of drugs. How the antiviral drugs can act. So if I go a little back, then I can show it to you. We can inhibit the entry of viruses into our drugs. We can inhibit certain transcriptase enzymes so that viral DNA will not be able to multiply. This is some other drug having cyclopropane ring, so that will not allow the ribosomes to multiply. Some other drug is there, so that will not allow viral DNA to be integrated in host cell DNA. And some protease inhibitors are there, so that will not allow the viral mRNA or viral RNA to multiply. So this way, several antiviral drugs will act. Okay, so if you want to know much more about all these things, and you should have a clear-cut fundamentals of transcription and translation. Let me tell you for the sake of your knowledge, the transcription is a process where we are getting some RNA from the already existing DNA. Okay, so that is what is called, sometimes a template which is created from already existing DNA. That is called transcription. Translation is a process where basically what are the informations which is available in RNA. They are useful for synthesis of several proteins which are made up of amino acids. That is called a process of translation. So you can go back to your this biochemistry by Satyanarayan. So and you can visit what is transcription, what is translation. Your fundamentals will come to know that transcription is a process which deals with nitrogenous base, adenine, cytosine, guanine, or uracil, thymine. So these are the 5 nitrogenous bases are there. Adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. So these 4 nitrogenous bases are present in Homo sapiens having DNA. Adenine, cytosine, uracil, and guanine. So these 4 are present in RNA. RNA, what is RNA, what is DNA, what is a Watson-Crick model given by these two fellows, Watson and Crick. तो उससे आपका knowledge और भी clear होगा. What is the process of transcription? तो transcription में भी बहुत सारे enzyme होते हैं. Reverse transcriptase is the enzyme which can do the reverse transcription process. Transcription is a process where we are getting RNA, maybe messenger RNA, from, let us say, this DNA. But reverse transcriptase is exactly opposite. It will make DNA from RNA. Okay, so that is also one of the enzymes, the reverse transcriptase. That is one of enzyme, majorly important enzyme. If we inhibit this enzyme in HIV/AIDS, then we can over. And certain drugs are also available. They are named as reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Okay, so आपको ये सारा fundamental, you if you read or you or also this pharmacology by Rangendale, you will come to know about this pathology of viral disorders, how the viruses can undergo multiplication. You can come to know about. Then for our purpose, basically, since we have discussed the several kind of processes which can occur in virus, so we can also learn the classification of antiviral drugs. What are the drugs which are involved in antiviral work? So I have this video with me. I shall also post in your classroom. So you will also come to know about this. And there is also a sound in that documentary. You can listen to that sound for your further information. This is a simple image which is available on your screen. That signifies how can we reduce the multiplication of virus. Number one, what is called viral attachment and entry. Enfluvertide, some of the other drugs are there, palivizumab or docosanol. So these are the drugs which will inhibit the attachment of the viral to the host cells. Some of the drugs are there which will block the uncoating of the viruses, such as amantadine, rivantadine. These are the two drugs which are used in influenza. And this amantadine is also prescribed for H1N1 swine flu. Especially neuraminidase inhibitors, oseltamivir and zanamivir. So oseltamivir is given to certain nasal inhalations in influenza to inhibit the release of the virus cell. So it will inhibit the एक बार जो virus cell enter हुआ, cell में multiply हुआ और उसको फिर दूसरे cell से infect करने के लिए, रोकने के लिए neuraminidase inhibitors are used. They are useful in H1N1 swine flu as well as influenza. Nucleic acid synthesis blockers. So basically those are, जैसे मैंने आपको reverse transcriptase की बात की, that is the enzyme which can make DNA from RNA. That's why its name is reverse transcriptase. क्योंकि ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में हमेशा डीएनए से आरएनए बनता है. इट इज सिंथेसिस ऑफ आरएनए फ्रॉम डीएनए, बट रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन मींस सिंथेसिस ऑफ डीएनए फ्रॉम आरएनए. तो उसका उल्टा है. ओके, सो नॉन न्यूक्लियोसाइड रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज, नॉन न्यूक्लियो एंड न्यूक्लियोसाइड रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज कॉल एज एनआरटीआई, एनएनआरटीआई. वी विल नो व्हाट आर दिस न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स, जिसमें एडेनिन, ग्वानिन, साइटोसिन, थायमिन और यूरेसिल प्रेजेंट है, नाइट्रोजन बेस, उसको बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोसाइड रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज. Go back to your biochemistry and see the structures of this adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine, and uracil. You try to refresh your knowledge, right? So basically, all these nitrogen and base are either purine analogs or pyrimidine analogs. Purine is basically 6,5 membered bicyclic ring, and pyrimidine is just a monocyclic 1,3 diazobenzene kind of ring. Okay, you go learn this, because medicinal chemistry में once you will know the structures, आपको तभी तो पता लगेगा what they are. Some other acyclovir and phoscarnet sodiums, so they are also nucleic acid inhibitors. Protein processing inhibitors, especially protease inhibitors. So जैसे आपने एक वीडियो देखा था, उसमें एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर था कि वो प्रोटीन को बना रहा था using ribosomes and this. So we can also inhibit. So these are the several ways with the help of which we can inhibit this. So we having this introduction, let us see one more time that video. So if I'm going to play that documentary one more time, so that we shall have a further information on this. हमने जो भी किए, whatever we learn, we will able to gain it one more time. I hope that it is visible. If it is not visible, then any one of you can say that, sir, it is not visible. This is the way a virus look like, which is having a membrane and external structures. I mean to say some proteins are present as a form of the receptors on its surface. And inside this, there is its nuclear genetic machinery. And this is a virus cell. Moment it come in contact with human healthy cells, then on the human healthy cells, there are certain receptors which are present. So they are trying to show some kinds of the receptors. Especially this is the replication of HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus. Once the virus will come in the contact with such cells, so the viruses also have certain kinds of glycoproteins or certain kinds of receptors on their outer surface. This will prove a kind of means to seat on such receptors. And once they have contact and establish contacts like this, and viruses will get some entry into the host cells. Now they are in contact with host cells after having communication through such receptors. If I want to communicate with you, either may call you, I may WhatsApp you, I may mail you, then we can have interaction. Similarly, after having that some communication, interaction has been started between the host cells and the virus cells. So वायरस का जो सेल न्यूक्लियोकैप्सिड था वो तो डिसॉल्व हो गया. वायरस का these are some other proteins and this is the mRNA red color one. These are the proteins which are present in our cells. It may be some enzyme, it may be some receptor, any other one. It can be any protein. We have lots of proteins into our body. Hemoglobin is also a kind of protein, and there are many other proteins. They are multiplying. Now, this is a viral RNA is there, so it will be duplicated with host cells, machinery, which are or nucleus nitrogenous base present in host cells. तो उसके बाद जो अपना जो डीएनए है वो भी वायरल डीएनए बन जाएगा. और दिस इज द वे दैट वायरल DNA is created into the body. This is somehow transcriptase enzyme 3'N. This is 5'N. So it has cut. After having this cutting, this infected viral DNA with the help of this protein will incorporate into the healthy DNA. तो जो छोटा सा mutation जो था, now it is the part of the normal healthy human cells. Then it will undergo duplication through transcription and translation. ये जो small fragment है जो host cell machinery से create हुआ है, so it will undergo synthesis of protein synthesis. These are the proteins which have been created, and several protease enzymes are there which will make these inactive proteins into active proteins. Now they are active proteins. So now our body is composed of viral proteins also. देखिए आपको एक ही दिखाया था, but there can be many. और फिर वो क्या करेंगे कि once they have infected one cell, then their viral teams or these many viruses will also affect other healthy cells. तो आपको लगेगा कि एक दिन में या फिर जैसे ही आप जस्ट कांटेक्ट में आए आपकी इम्यूनिटी डाउन हुई और यू आर इन्फेक्टेड विथ वायरसेस and your whole cells are infected with that. How the way drugs act like this, they will inhibit the entry of viruses into human body. वो virus को बैठने ही नहीं देगा. Some drugs are there, they will not allow some nitrogenous base to enter into the viral proteins. So viral proteins की entry और ribosome में भी नहीं होगी, so that they cannot duplicate. Some drugs are that they will not allow to integrate the viral genetic machinery into the healthy one. Some drugs are there like this, they will inhibit the protease enzyme, so they will not allow the convert this inactive protein into active one. And some other drugs, they say oseltamivir and zanamivir, so they will not allow this viral protein to duplicate, although that is not in this documentary, but that is there on this slide. Okay, so I hope that I will again reshare this documentary with you people. और आप उसके बाद also you refer this pharmacology by Rangendale, so in which very nice, a beautiful figure is given with the color diagrams and the labels and so and so. That what is the step number one, what is step two, three, four, five, and has been beautifully given in that. And also in that book, they have mentioned what is called, let us say, this RNA, or what are the several drugs they act against such viruses. तो ये आपका नॉलेज है, इफ इट इज क्लियर तभी आप कोविड-19 को अंडरस्टैंड कर पाओगे, समझ पाओगे, तो उससे आपका नॉलेज भी उतना इम्प्रूव होगा. So let us stop ourselves up to this one.